Do you want a cute character like this in your Windows with whom you can play? It's very cute and nice, very charming while you're using your desktop. You can change its size scrolling your mouse up and down. So let's see how we can install this cute character. First, you will have to go to Steam. It's a gaming platform. Now, search Desktop Mate here. You can see Desktop Mate. It's free. Click on it. It will show some instructions. And look on green button, it's free. We can use it without any dollar spending. Now click on it and install it. It's just 174 MB. Click install. Now it will start downloading. Yeah, it's downloading. Downloading is end. Now it's, you see, downloaded. Now click launch. It is launched. Now you can see something. Here is the instructions given. You can watch it, how to move this character, or you can skip. So there is our character. You can make it sit on your Windows top, any of your Windows. You can resize it by scrolling your wheel up and down. When you move mouse over its face, it will spread love over you. It's really very cute. So don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for this kind of cute characters.